Welcome back to Dinaris Farm's Kitchen. Today, we're going to be making cream cheese cookies. These cookies melt in your mouth and they have a nice lemon glaze. They're very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 350. Alrighty, so the first thing I did was set out 1 stick of unsalted butter and 4 ounces, which is a half of a package of cream cheese, and I let these sit out till they came to room temperature. So now they're nicely softened, and I'm just going to add them to our stand mixer. We're going to beat these until they're pretty much combined, and then we're going to start adding our sugar. All right, now that that is pretty well combined, I'm going to go ahead and add our 1 cup of sugar slowly while it's mixing. All right, now that our butter, cream cheese, and sugar has been mixed through pretty well, it's nice and smooth. I'm going to go ahead and scrape the sides. That way we get everything incorporated. And then I'm going to add our egg and a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so now that we have our egg and our vanilla, we're going to go ahead and mix this back up before we add our dry ingredients. Great. So I'm going to add this in gradually, just like we did the sugar. But in this bowl, I have 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I've went ahead and mixed this all up so that way it's pretty well incorporated. All right. So now that it has just come together, I don't really see any more flour. We're done with the mixer. It is a somewhat sticky dough. All right, so now that our dough has come together, all I'm going to do is take 2 spoons and I'm going to scoop out pretty much a rounded tablespoon amount, and we're going to just plop that down carefully onto our parchment lined, or I have a silicone baking mat, cookie sheet. Okay, now the cookie dough is going to go into our 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes until they've just set the edges and are getting a little bit more color. The glaze is super simple. I have a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. I put in a splash of vanilla, and then I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. All right, now that they are all out of the oven, they're starting to cool down, I'm going to start mixing our icing again. And there you have it, some very easy cream cheese cookies with this lemon glaze on the top. Super soft cookie, has that nice tang that you would expect from cream cheese, and then the lemon icing on top is just so good. Thank you so much for joining me while we make cream cheese cookies. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments about what I should maybe make next, feel free to drop it in the comments. Otherwise, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye. It's so good.